Opposite my house, a young teen who burns a midnight lamp, studying for exams and scoring very high marks, carelessly throws a plastic wrapper from her balcony. Even before we could react, she had just walked in. It left me thinking because I had always believed, and I still believe, that children are the agents of change. Where authorities and activists fail in their pleas and their requests, children succeed. They hold the power to tell parents things. I am sure that all of us have experienced being told by children things that they have learned from school, told by their teachers. They hold the power to tell parents why one should segregate waste, why they should save water and electricity, why they should carry steel straws and carry their own bottle of water instead of buying that Bisleri off the shelf. There is children who have been educated and know all about fossil fuel burning, plastic contamination, pesticide poisoning, etc. But yet there was this teen who flicked off the garbage onto the road. Out of sight, out of mind. She goes to one of the top private schools. How then can we expect change at the lower end of the spectrum? Apparently, only 3% of Indians are aware of the environment problems, be it climate change, biodiversity loss, water conservation, etc. etc. Traditionally, no doubt, we have been a culture that has been rooted in minimal resource use. Our parents would make maximum use of even a piece of cloth before it goes into the bin, right? We have all grown up with hand-me-downs from our siblings and even cousins. Bottles and tins stacked at home would be as old as the oldest member of the household. But today, capitalism and a market-based economy has made deep inroads. Even in poor households, the behavior is changing thanks to social media. Buying stuff is the top aspiration of a large section of society today. Alongside buying comes discarding. Water doesn't have to be fetched across long distances. It pours from the tap like a magic. And when power is free, the pump sets in the farms are never put off. Lights and TV and laptop are never put off. Homes in cities have UPS. So on goes the changes as development touches lives. Coming back to education, it is only when people become aware of the problem that we can expect some change. But making adults change is quite a tough job. But a child has the power, as we said, to change and get his or her parents to change. In India, we did have environment studies as a subject in school following a Supreme Court directive in 2003. But that took time to be incorporated given the logistics of getting the book out and then getting the book to the schools. And before time it was removed from the curriculum. However, the government in its new national education policy passed in 2020 has said that environment would be taught as an immersive topic and not immersive topic woven into both the science and the social sciences, not as a content-based education but embedded in the curriculum. That's a good thing. The objective is to mold students into a sustainability-based approach in their learning, to equip them with the knowledge and skills to deal with the environment problems of tomorrow. Also important is to instill sustainability values just alike social and cultural values. Think of the future generations even as you make your present comfortable. After all, the planet has only that much of resources. Not only at the school level, the NEP provides guidelines, course content and credit requirements for a mandatory course on EVS, the environment studies, even at the undergraduate level. It emphasizes the importance of environment responsibility while promoting energy efficiency, waste reduction, minimizing environmental impact, and so on. To internalize this learning, the coursework designs community engagement and service, which is the best part. The change is happening, though slowly. Students are getting to see firsthand the problems that the people face as also the environment. Student coursework has begun to address issues such as water conservation, mangrove preservation, sustainable farming practices, and so on. But clearly, much more needs to be done. Not all schools and colleges are taking up such experiential learning on environment. Unless a child goes to the landfill, to the site of the landfill, sees the rising dumps with its stench and filth lying just adjacent to the village, till then he or she is going to be insulated from the hard realities. Till they go see how people struggle for a pot of drinking water, they will let the tap run. Till they see how the plastic wrapper thrown carelessly can end up choking a turtle or even kill a whale or an elephant, they will not think the next time they throw a wrapper. Until they learn the importance of environment preservation, their parents will mostly remain in the 3% who are blissfully unaware. Thank you.